Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make another summertime dish. It's a cool shrimp dish with a creamy slaw. But anyway, there's no cooking involved. It comes together pretty quick, and I think you guys are really going to like it. So let's get to it. But no cooking. I like this. It's even better. Okay, so I'm going to use my little blender here, food processor. Now I got here some horseradish. Now this is optional. You guys don't want to have to put it in. You don't have to. This is a non-fat yogurt, Greek yogurt, so that's good. A little salt and pepper here. Got some garlic, some diced jalapeno. Gonna have a couple splashes of some lime juice, and we've got about 1/4 cup of chopped up parsley. And there is the king of the show. This is frozen. These large shrimp, I wanted large, but you don't have to use large. You can cut them up. I might end up cutting some of these. Might not use them all, but that's all right. We're going to eat them anyway. Okay, so like I said, this comes together pretty quick. We're going to put in our Greek yogurt. I knew I was going to have to get one of that things. It never seems to fail. When I'm doing something else, I use the same thing. All of it comes out of there. What I should have did was put some slip and slide juice in there, and that would have been good. Okay, now this here, I was trying to keep it really user-friendly for those WW people, so what I have to do, I'm going to have to use some extra virgin olive oil, but I don't want to use a lot, so I'm going to use maybe the original thing was I always put 2 tablespoons in. Today I'm going to do about 1/2. Okay, so that way you don't get so many prints going, see? Okay. So now we're going to add in a teaspoon of your one teaspoon of your minced garlic. Let me get my tablespoon thing back again, because I'm going to need that. I wasn't planning on that, but shush, kitty cat. Yeah. Let me let the little monster back out. They go in and out all summer long. Okay, so took care of the cat. So now I'm going to put in not too much of the diced jalapeno. It's probably about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. Okay. And we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of your lemon juice or lime juice. Now, if you don't have lime juice, you could probably use lemon. It's up to you. This just gives it a different taste. I use lemon juice so many times. 1, 2, and 3. Now you keep that on the side because you might want to put some on your dish when you're eating this, because it's going to be really nice. Unless you don't like shrimp. Well, then you don't like shrimp. Okay, we're going to put in about a pinch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then we're going to add in probably a good teaspoon of horseradish. Boom. Okay, now we're going to pour in just about all of my parsley I have. You can use cilantro if you like cilantro. Keep a little bit out for topping. Okay. Oop. I think now we're ready to mix, huh? Yep. Okay, this comes together pretty quick. Like I said, it's going to make some noise, but I'll turn it on first, and then what you're going to do is mix this till it's all nice and creamy. Okay, ready? All right, I'm going to give you guys a break on the sound. Hold on. Okay, I think we got it. Just a few blenders around there, huh? Yep. And take a look, because that's what it should look like. Nice and creamy. Creamy, creamy. It's always so dreamy, huh? Yeah, nice consistency. A couple of the jalapeno chunks are still there, but that's okay. I like those. Mm-hmm. Oh, you guys are going to love this. Okay, so now what we're going to do, let me get my cabbage. I always do that. I'm going to get that out of the refrigerator and we'll be right with you. Okay, so we're back. What I did, I got my cabbage there and I diced it up a little bit more for my wife wanted a little more finer cut. So, and then I chopped up 6 of my shrimp. I just cut them in little pieces. So here we got my cabbage. And we're not going to put all the mix in there, but we're going to shake this out first of all. Don't want that to cut nobody's little fingers. So then we're going to pour about half maybe. Yep. You can use that sauce for other things. It's got a little twang to it too. Okay. Anyway, so just mix it up in the coleslaw. Now, in the cabbage. I'm always doing that. Now, if you need more, you can add more. That's why I said just put about half. Stir it around and get it to your consistency. If you want it really creamy, put the whole thing in there. I don't know. But here you go. Now, this could definitely use some more. That's what you want, a nice portable consistency. Creamy. Creamy. Okay. And then there's going to be one little secret ingredient that I'm going to put in here that I haven't told you about yet, but you guys can probably figure it out because you guys know me better than that. Okay, so now we're going to put in our shrimp. Okay, and we're going to stir that in there, mix it in well. Okay, I'm going to get the secret ingredient. Everybody hold on. Okay, so I'm going to give you my secret ingredient, which is, of course, the red pepper flakes. And let me give this a little taste test here. Before I do that, let me have a little taste test. Oh boy. I'm just going to add, should put some lobster in here. You guys don't know what you're missing. It's going to give us a little pinch or two of salt and pepper. And I do believe that's going to be it. Call it a day. And we are ready. Okay, so as you guys can see, it comes together pretty easy. It's not that big of a dish. There's only 2 cups of cabbage in here. Now, you can make more if you like. That mix that I made with the Greek yogurt nut, that probably could have did easily maybe three cups, maybe a little more. I don't know, there's not that much really left in the container, but now you can use all of that and put it in just here and make it really, really creamy. I like it like this. Hopefully Penny will too. So let me dish this up and we'll show you what we got. Okay, my friends, there you have it. That's my plate and I'm sticking to it. All right, we'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, guys, there you have it. My shrimp and slaw dish. Let's get a bite. this is delicious. I'm gonna use some basic. As you can get a nice refreshing dish. You get a piece of shrimp, just about every bite. That's if you like shrimp. You know, you can put fish in here if you want to. Lobster. I'll take one more bite. Absolutely delicious, over the top. And give us a like. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And when you do, notification bell will pop down. You hit that. It's going to notify you each time we have another video. Right below the video screen there's an arrow down button. You hit that. Bring the drop down box. Give you a link to my Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page. Also a link to my daughter's artwork page. And the complete recipe, ingredients, and how we did this. You guys are going to love this dish. This is Mr. Dan saying stay home, my friends, and when you are, come back and we'll give you another nice, refreshing summertime dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, and we're out.